So this is Iremoval Pro 2.0 Premium Edition, which was released on the 12th of May 2024. So with my experience with this unlock tool, because I've just used it maybe 2 days ago to unlock my iPhone Pro Max. It was Pro Max. So I'm going to share my experience with you guys, and also some people, they are asking if Iremoval can bypass devices with iOS 18, which is the latest iOS version. I will make sure that I explain that very well later, but now I still want to share my experience on how I unlocked my iPhone 11 Pro with a Iremoval Pro 2.0 Premium Edition. So after bypassing, you will also be able to log in to iCloud, or if you don't have a iCloud account, you can register or create a new iCloud account for yourself, and then you will use it to log in. And another thing, you will be able to download apps, and also you will be able to log into Netflix and watch your shows. And also after unlock, you will also be able to set up a new ID face. So let me not waste any of your time. You will see how simple it is to bypass using Iremoval Pro 2.0 Premium Edition. It is very easy.